Last year, the French government offered to build submarines for the Philippines, aiming to enhance the maritime capabilities of the Southeast Asian nation. French ambassador to the Philippines, Michel Bachos, confirmed that France was among those who submitted proposals to construct submarines for the Southeast Asian country. The Philippines' decision to acquire Scorpene submarines has become a strategic focal point in bolstering their maritime defense. Here are key considerations related to these submarines. Superior technical specifications. Scorpene submarines boast outstanding technical capabilities, with the ability to carry 30 sea mines and achieve speeds of up to 20 knots underwater and 12 knots on the surface, providing much-needed flexibility. Advanced Combat System. Equipped with the Submarine Tactical Integrated Combat System, SUBTICS, Scorpene adopts high-tech technology proven effective in French nuclear submarines. Variety of variants. The 4 variants of Scorpene submarines, including those equipped with air-independent propulsion (AIP) technology, offer options that align with the operational needs of the Philippines. Strategic advantages. Capable of diving to a depth of 300 meters, armed with weapons such as anti-ship and anti-submarine torpedoes, as well as long-range missiles, Scorpene becomes a strategic asset in maritime operations. Security and endurance. State-of-the-art stealth technology and the ability to submerge for up to 3 weeks, especially in the California 2000 variant using steam fuel, provide a high level of security and endurance. Varied pricing. With prices varying depending on type, specifications, and requested armament, Scorpene offers flexibility for the Philippines to adjust according to their budget and requirements. The Philippines' decision to engage in this project reflects their serious commitment to strengthening maritime defense capabilities. By adopting Scorpene submarines, the Philippines has the potential to enhance their deterrence capability and sovereignty in the South China Sea region amid regional tension.